That's why me always I chat with the Almighty.
Bam! Welcome to another video. Yeah man, in this video today, as you see, I'm in the supermarket. Yeah, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to saute mushroom in garlic, butter, parsley, onion with a dash of soya salt. Yeah man, this is a banger. Yeah man, stay tuned. Yeah, magical fam, let's get the ball rolling. Yeah man, so let's show you how to start preparing your mushroom. So get out your garlic, your knife, get out your parsley, yeah, your mushroom, yeah, prepare it, cut it to the size that you need it. Yeah man, get all your stuff. Yeah man, so it's time now to add your butter or your olive oil. You can add both. Also add my garlic and parsley and stir on medium heat. Yeah, then add in my scallion and thyme. Yeah man, keeping the thing jiggy, keeping it flavorful, you know. Yeah man, so it's time to add your mushroom to your seasoning. Yeah man, after adding your mushroom to your seasoning, yeah, you stir it. Yeah man, get all the seasoning on your mushroom. Yeah man, because you want it to be tasty. You want all the flavors of the seasoning to go in the mushroom. Yeah man, keeping it tasty, keeping it jiggy, keeping it flavorful. You can also add your tomato, but I don't add mine as yet because I like my, you know, tomatoes and stuff to be firm, you know, crunchy. Yeah, so I add a little seasoning flavor while stirring, needing your sauté mushroom to be tasty and flavorful as possible. Yeah man, so you keep on stirring it, you keep on ensuring that all the flavor, yeah man, all the flavor get inside the mushroom. Yeah man, keeping it flavorful, keeping it tasty. Yeah man, although it's all natural, you want it to taste good, you want it to be flavorful, you want it to be enjoyable. Add a dash of soya salt to give it that golden brown look. Yeah man, I also add my Angostura aromatic bitters, which gives flavor. Yeah man, adding my tomato. Yeah man, a short while before the pot land, as we Jamaican would have said. Yeah man, because I want my tomato and stuff, yeah, to be crunchy. Yeah man, yeah. I also like to keep my colors, the red, green and gold. Yeah man, I'm sorry that I don't have the yellow sweet pepper to give it that red, green and gold look. Yeah man, I love my Jamaican culture. I love my Rasta culture. So I love my colors, yeah, to look in my dish when I'm preparing my dish. Also want to share a little tip with my magical family. Yeah, to preserve your scallions. Yeah man, you cut them up in small portions and put them in a Ziploc bag and add them in a freezer. Yeah man, that is a good way to keep your stuff fresh. Yeah man, you can also do the same thing with your ginger. Yeah man, you would wrap your ginger in file paper, yeah man, and then put it in a Ziploc bag. Yeah, this is a way that you can preserve your stuff. Yeah man, you can also do the same procedure with your pepper. Yeah man, you keep them fresh and firm. Yeah man, you can also do it with your carrots. Yeah man, so that is a tip from Magical Laws. Yeah man, looking at the pot again, how colorful it is. Yeah man, and it's also tasty. To top off your tasty and delicious mushroom, yeah man, you would make some natural juice. Yeah man, some natural juice from cucumber and kale. And also don't forget your ginger. Yeah man, which give your juice flavor. Yeah man. I like to add a lot of ginger in my juice. Yeah, man. I like to taste and feel the ginger stinging inside my juice. Yeah, so a juice for me cannot be flavorful and tasty without our natural Jamaican ginger. Yeah, man, I don't like the exported gingers. I like the Jamaican ginger. Yeah, man. So it's time to get the blender rolling, spinning. Yeah, man. So flavorful juice, natural juice, keeping it healthy. So after blending your oranges, yeah, man, you will strain it. Yeah, man, some people will drink it like that with all the pulp and everything, especially if they can't use the bathroom. Yeah, man. Yeah, but this time around, I want my juice to be refined. Yeah, man, so I strain it. Yeah, man, to get out all the pulp from it. Yeah, so I run it through my strainer. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, because I want my juice to be refined at this moment. Yeah, healthy juice. Yeah, man, so it's time to blend up my other ingredients. This is blending up the cucumber. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Look at the color. Yeah, man, well green. Keeping it healthy and natural. Yeah, man, so as I said, I like to run mine through the strainer at times because I want it refined this time around. I don't want any pulp inside my juice. Yeah, man, natural juice with orange, kale and cucumber. Yeah, use orange for the sweetener because I don't want to add any sugar to my juice. Yeah, man. So this is a way that you can keep your thing all natural. Yeah, man, the orange already have the natural sweetening in it, the natural taste, the natural flavor. Yeah, man.
2 moments later.
Bam! Presenting my final product to my magical family. So this is my sauteed mushroom with rice and peas and my natural green juice, cucumber, kale, sweetened with orange. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more videos like this. Yeah, man. Magical laws. Out. Round one party in Jamaica. I promote good vibes only.
I'm always a chat with the Almighty.